Field Properties pane. While creating the design of the table in the design view, you must have noticed that the Field Properties pane had appeared in the lower half of the screen. You can use it to control data entered in a field and the appearance of data on screen. It also allows you to specify certain field characteristics and properties, for example, size, format, validation rules, etc. Field size. This is the maximum size for data stored in the text or number fields. For text data, the field size determines the maximum number of characters. The short text data type has a maximum of 255 characters. For number data, field size determines the range and how many bytes can be used for storage. Format. This specifies how data will be displayed. Number and currency formats. It allows you to choose from 7 predefined formats, that is, general number, currency, euro, fixed, standard, percent, and scientific. You can also create custom formats. Date and time formats. It allows you to select from the predefined formats of date and time. General date, long date, medium date, short date, long time, medium time, and short time. Logical formats. The default display is yes or no. Other predefined formats for logical data are true or false and on or off. Input mask. You can use it to set a desired format for data entry. For example, the input mask for a phone number could be bracket, ... hyphen, ... Caption. You can use it to give the field a more explanatory name. It can contain up to 2048 characters. Default value. This value is automatically filled in the field when you add a new record to the table. Validation rule. You can use it to limit the value that the field will accept. For example, if the validation rule for a field is less than or equal to 50, it means that the field must contain a value less than or equal to 50. If you enter a value greater than 50, you will get an error message. Validation text. You can type an error message in it that would appear when the value entered in a field violates the validation rule. Required. Enter yes if the field should always receive a value during data entry. The default value of it is no, which means that the field can be left blank. Allow zero length. This property is used for text and memo data types. If required is yes and allow zero length is no, G is equal to data must be entered in the field during data entry. If both properties are set to yes, the field can be left empty.